Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our series of videos for comparing the health sensors of smartwatches to our medical grade health monitoring. Okay, so this time, as requested, we have the i7 Pro smartwatch, and we will compare the blood pressure as well as the heart rate with our MRON, okay, medical grade health monitoring. So let's check, okay, whether we will have an accurate results or not. Last time we have the W17, it is much closer to the result of our MRON health monitoring device. Okay, so let's start and check whether we do have a good sensor for the i7 Pro smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this demo, okay, this comparison, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's try. We do have here, okay, all the equipment ready, so let's start. Okay, so let's demo and check. Okay, so we already attach our sensor here, so let's check. We already have the airbag, and let's see. Okay, we have our smartwatch here. We're going to check it later. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it's now monitoring. So let's see what's the result. Okay, so we're almost done here. So we have 121/80 with a 67 pulse or beats per minute. Okay, so let's check. So everything is okay. So we have here the smartwatch. Let's attach it to our wrist. And let's see the result. We're going to see some slight difference on the result, but if the sensor is accurate, it will not be far from our medical grade sensor here. So okay, so we're done. So 121/80 and 67. So let's see. Let's go first with the heart rate. Okay, so we have the heart rate. As you can see, we have 67 here. Okay, so we have 90 again. Let's see. Very far from the result. Then let's do it again. Let's fix the positioning of our smartwatch. It should be around 70 to 75. It's now averaging. So the results here is 92. So it's not closer to the results. Okay. Still 92. Okay. So we have on our memory, we have 67 here. Okay, we'll do another run to make it sure that we have the accurate result. So we have the blood pressure here. On our blood pressure monitor, we have 121/80. So it's now averaging. So much closer, the blood pressure is much closer here, as you can see. We have 124/79 compared with our medical grade 121/80. Okay. So let's check again. Okay. Let's see. Okay, for the heart rate. Okay, let's see. Again, the blood pressure is much closer compared to the heart rate. We do hope that it's just not a random number that the i7 Pros is showing. So we have 114/80 and we have 68. Okay, so to give you another result, let's check. Okay, seems like our heart rate is stable here, ranging from 68 to 69. So let's see here. Okay, we have 74, not that far. Okay, for the blood pressure, we have 114/80. Let's check. Still 128/73. I don't know, it just seems like this is just a random heart rate or blood pressure rather. So 100/80. Not that bad. It's getting closer to the result here. Again. So 109/69. So this one is for the second one. Okay, so that's it. So it's up to you to decide whether we do have a good sensor here, a legit sensor for our heart rate as well as blood pressure in our i7 Pro Max. Okay, but anyways, when it comes to design, this is very good. I'm just not sure whether the sensor really works or not. Okay, because sometimes it just gives a random number. Let's see if it will try to check. See, it's still checking here, but we don't have the result. Okay, see, it's just checking. So it seems like it's just a random monitoring, or it's a fake sensor. I do hope it's not, but seems like it's still showing result even though that I'm not using it. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the sensor of our medical grade device here with the i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, watch out for our second video for the i7 Pro Max. We'll see if it's going to show a different, okay, results compared to the i7 Pro Max. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.